Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And at India Ahead, I want all the Goan citizens here, all the dignitaries who have come here, I want you all to know that we are committed to taking this relationship to the next level. We are very, very keen to get some of the topmost Hollywood stars and the topmost rock musicians globally, hopefully within the next 8 to 9 months to the state of Goa, and with the support which I'm sure we'll get from Pramod ji and a whole host of other dignitaries here. We don't want this to be just a land of holidaying. We want the people of India, and shall I say global citizens, to know what Goan identity is all about. Goan identity is not just about the beach, the bikini and holidays. There is a certain linguistic and cultural pride aspect associated with Goa which is often not spoken about. So if it creates a triangle between an Andhra Telangana, a UP Delhi lens and a Goan lens, if it involves all these three lenses coming together, and if it means that that's how the spirit of Goa or the identity of Goa will be put up on the national main stage, and if I can be the engine, if I can be the driver for that at India Ahead, nothing will give us more happiness than that.
The national level, even political scenario itself, Goa, being as Goa is a tiny state, we have been considered as a granted or what? This one questions in the minds of the people, because there are only 2 MPs of Goa. If we want to fight against at the different states, then our things is not considered or not, our thoughts are not considered or not. That is also to be focused. And if it is focused at the national level, then we will have an additional mileage.
We are starting with a weekly program on India Ahead. Then we are going ahead, we will do it twice a week, then we'll do it thrice a week, and I can very confidently say as the election comes closer, which is hardly 16 months away, the plan is to go on India Ahead every day. So we are going to create programming every day as we go closer to the election. So I think that is the kind of coverage Goa is going to get, and I am really thankful to the entire team of India Ahead, Bhupendra, Gautam ji, Arjun ji, because I think Goa always deserved such kind of attention but never got. And not only Goa, I think every Indian state deserves that kind of attention.
About Bhupendra Chaubey, he's the star journalist. I think all over the India, the many followers as you have. But lastly, I'll say, with these two, the Prudent Media and India Ahead, will definitely Goa will get the more space nationally. At last, I'll say, Yokar tumka, Dev tumche bare karu, India Ahead.